So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you that how you can fix this site cannot be reached. So let's get started, shall we? So at first you need to open your run window. So for that you need to press your Win button on your keyboard and R at the same time. So Win and R at the same time, and then your run window will open. So here you need to type it exactly as it is and then click on open or OK. And then here you can see your Ethernet. I have my Ethernet connection here. So if you have your Wi-Fi connection, then your Wi-Fi connection will show here. So just right click on your connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you are using, and then click on properties. So here you need to uncheck IP protocol version v6, all right, and then click on OK. So this was the first step of many. So I will show you a couple more steps to follow. First, after doing this, then restart your computer and check if your problem is fixed or not. So this was the first step, the easiest one. And then also again go to your run window and then again go to your here internet connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and then here click on IP protocol version 4 and then click on properties here. So here click on use the following DNS server here, and then in your preferred DNS you can use two of the DNS. So I am putting like the cloud DNS, which is like preferred DNS would be 4.1 and alternate DNS would be 1.0.0.1, and you can also use the Google DNS. All right, so this is the Google DNS, so you can also use this as well. So and check which one works for you or not. All right, so then click on OK and then click on close, and then try to restart your computer and check that if the second step worked for you or not. So this was the second step. Now let's move on with the third step. So in our third step we will go to our command prompt. So here just open your command prompt and right click on here and click on run as administrator and then click on yes. So here we will flash our DNS. So I will put the command in the description as well. So let me show you. You need to type it exactly as it is. You can directly copy and paste it from the description as well, and then here press on enter, and then here you can see it is saying successfully flash the DNS resolver. So you need to flash your DNS by this method, ipconfig/flash DNS, and then you need to copy and paste the following. So let me just copy and paste it, and by this command we will reset our IP address. So let's paste it. You can also type it, but you need to type it exactly as it is, and then here it is saying restart the computer to complete this action. And now let's move on with our next step. And also, if all of this method didn't work for you or did not fix your problem, then I would suggest you to uninstall your Google Chrome or your browser and then reinstall Google Chrome again, or you can try another browser like Microsoft Edge or Mozilla and see that if this solved your problem or not. So if by changing your browser or uninstalling and reinstalling works, so that means the problem was with your browser's cache and everything. So I would definitely suggest you to do that if all of this method didn't work for you. And also at the end I would suggest you to do another step, which is use your mobile's hotspot. Like if you are in your laptop and you are using Wi-Fi, then I would suggest like use your mobile data and create a hotspot connection, and then try to connect via Wi-Fi from your laptop through that hotspot and check that if this fix your problem or not. So if by using your mobile's hotspot the problem is fixed, so that means you need to contact with your ISP and check with them to see if they can fix your problem or not. So that's it. That's how you can fix this site cannot be reached problem in your Windows PC or laptop. So if this video helped for you, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from 𝐒𝐿𝐾 and I'm signing out.